what's up friends? Welcome back to this video. If you're new here, what's up? My name's Nicole and I make videos on personal finance, investing, self-development, and other fun and interesting stuff. So today we're talking about a digital bank that I've mentioned a lot previously, ING Bank. So just a disclaimer, no, this video is actually sponsored by ING, but I've personally had my account with them since October 2019, so almost 2 years na. So I can confidently vouch for their service. Okay naman ang products nila. Good experience. So this video is going to be an in-depth guide to ING, which I think is going to be a bank that's going to be able to serve almost every kind of banking need you might have. So here's how I want to structure this video. First, we're going to talk about ING. Who is ING? What is ING even? Even though they're more established now and they're more mainstream than when I first discovered them back in 2019, there's still a lot of people who haven't heard of them. Ano nga ba ang ING? Safe ba? Second, what are the products offered by ING and why should I choose ING Bank? So for sure, there's a lot of companies and a lot of competition in this space, like from digital banks, traditional banks, even e-wallets, kung ano-ano pa. So given all of those things, what are some of the reasons you might want to consider banking with ING and what are the kind of products that they offer? Then third, how to open an ING account. So in a lot of my videos, whether we talk about different banks or different investments, what I always say is that action is the most important thing. So if you do decide, yes, I want to bank with ING, here are the steps that you can take to open your ING account today. Right, let's get started.
Right, okay, getting to know time. First, what is ING? So ING Bank is a global bank that operates in over 40 countries, including the Philippines. So on their website, it says that they've been here in the Philippines since 1990. Like that, that's like 10 years before I was born. And they were already offering branchless banking, but they were mostly limited to just serving local and international corporations. So they weren't really serving retail clients like us. So parang that's the reason why they're new. But they were the first to launch the first ever digital bank here in the Philippines back in 2018. So when I discovered them in 2019, medyo fresh pa sila nun. They also possess a universal banking license, which according to my research is like the highest form of banking license that the BSP issues. I'll add a link in the description what that means, but essentially the BSP issues 6 types of banking licenses kasi. But just for like easiness sake, no, it's the same banking license that BDO has, Metrobank has, BPI has. So in my previous videos, we mostly focused on ING Save, their high interest savings account. But now that we kind of know more about ING, let's talk about the products that they have to offer. So currently they offer 2 products, ING Save and ING Pay. So ING Save is their savings account that gives you the ability to earn much higher interest as compared to what traditional banks give you. So their base interest rate is 2.5% per annum for amounts less than 20 million pesos and then 1% for all amounts above 20 million pesos, which, okay, is great to know. I don't have that much money, but noted ING. Okay, got it.
Regular savings accounts, the ones given by traditional banks, give about 0.1 to 0.25% interest per year. While the digital banks that we're about to talk about, they give about 2.5 to 4% interest per year. Okay, so how much of a difference does this actually make? Right, so let's just quickly compute how much of a difference 2.5% makes as compared to the regular 0.1 to 0.25% interest. Let's say your average daily balance is 100,000 pesos. So if you put that in an account that gives you 0.25% interest, that will give you about 21.53 pesos a month or 258 pesos in a year. But if you put it in an account like ING that gives you about 2.5% interest per annum, that's about 215 pesos a month, which totals to about 2,583 pesos in a year. But this just puts into perspective how much gains you're missing out if you put your money in a traditional bank account as opposed to a high interest savings account.
And a very popular question I get asked is ING safe? Safe ba ang pera ko dyan? And the answer is yes. Your savings are safe with ING because they're PDIC insured up to 500,000 pesos. So if there's anything that happens to the bank, your money is insured up to 500,000 pesos. And ING Save is fully digital. You don't need to go to a branch to open it pa. You can just do the entire account opening process on your phone. What's also great is that there's no minimum maintaining balance. Kahit 50 pesos man yan or 1 peso, 0 pesos, it's okay. You won't get charged fees. There's no minimum account balance required. And also, there's no minimum balance required to earn interest. Because usually, diba, in traditional bank accounts, you need to deposit at least 2,000 pesos, sometimes 10,000, 25,000 to start earning 0.1 to 0.25%. But sa ING Save, kahit man 1 peso lang yan, 50 pesos, 20 pesos, you already start earning at a rate of 2.5% per annum. And other things your ING Save account can do is generate electronic bank statements, there's free fund transfers, and then you can also take a picture of your check for check deposit. And then next, let's talk about ING Pay. I haven't really talked about this one much in my videos, but I think it's a super useful account to have. So when you think about it, ING Save is really meant to store your savings. It's as much as possible, it's a no touchy account. But with ING Pay, it's more of a working account, operating account. It's something that you do everyday transactions with. So ako personally, I track every single peso and I find it super helpful to segregate all of my accounts, like different accounts for different purposes. Ang hirap kasi like if you only have one account and it serves as your savings account, it serves as your emergency fund, to pay bills, like everything in one place, it gets really confusing. Kaya ako, I personally find it better to segregate accounts for different uses. So ganun siya. ING Save, separating ING Pay for your everyday transactions, tapos ito, long-term savings.
So with your ING Pay account, it can actually do a lot of things. You can already start paying your bills through the app. So like here's a list of the billers that they have. May mga utilities, credit card, insurance policies, dami pa. Basta, you can make up to 150,000 pesos worth of bill payments for free, no fees. It also has PesoNet and InstaPay. So with InstaPay, usually banks now charge, diba, mga 15 pesos, 20 pesos to transfer money instantly. But with ING Pay, you can do that for free. And most banks have a fund transfer limit of how much you can transfer in a day. But with ING Pay, it's up to 1 million pesos per day. You can transfer that much with InstaPay. Maximum per transfer is 50,000, but like, you can do that 20 times. Parang, wow, okay. And then you also get a free virtual card and a free debit card. So ito siya. I like it because it has a lion. But this one, you can use this to pay in store or online. And you can also use this to withdraw funds sa ATM. You know, do you see like there's like a lion embossed? I don't know kung kita siya sa camera. If everything I said so far is like, wow, cool, ING, I want that, bentang-benta sa akin, then it's time to take action. So here are a list of the requirements to be able to open an ING account. So first and foremost, you need to be at least 18 years old and a resident of the Philippines. So this is like the criteria of being a resident of the Philippines. You need to provide an email address and then a Philippine mobile number. And then the valid IDs that they currently accept are the UMID card, Philippine passport, or a driver's license. Ito pa lang yung ina-accept nila, hindi raw pwede yung iba. And then you need to be able to show a proof of address. So there's a lot of like documents that they actually accept, like NBI clearance, mga phone bill, utility bill. And pwede rin, you can also submit yung mga Shopee Lazada receipt, but it needs to be within like the past month. So like you just need these documents and then go through the sign-up process. Fill up mo lang yung mga fields that they ask you to do. Then once you have an ING Save account, you'll be able to open an ING Pay account. So like if you check on the app, meron dun sa may upper side of the screen, diba, may Save and then Pay. So once you click on that, you just need to click Get Started and then just follow the instructions of how to open an ING Pay account. Madali lang siya, about 5 minutes lang yata, if I remember mine. Once you open an ING Pay account, you'll automatically receive a virtual card. But I think there are additional instructions pa on how to get your physical debit card. Pero madali lang yan. This one's free. No need to pay. And also take note that ING usually has promos for new clients. You can check sa website nila under promos tab. There's currently 2 ongoing promos. So one, you can enjoy 4% per annum for your first 4 months with ING Save. And then also when you open an ING Pay account, you can get 500 pesos welcome cash bonus. So I don't know when you're watching this, but check na lang their website for the list of the latest promos. For additional questions, it's usually found in their FAQs. You can refer to their website or chat their customer service, live chat. I think majority of the questions you guys might have right now is easily searchable. In my almost 2 years of having an ING account, I only had to contact their customer service mga 3 times to change my account details. But besides that, mostly seamless experience naman. I'm a very happy customer. And I like the lion on their card. Rawr. So you guys can follow me on Instagram. I post stories there almost every day. Like the Facebook page, join the Discord server. You guys can even get your bread merch. But I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.